What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, I am so excited to be able to bring you my unboxing of the Under Armour Project Rock 1. Got this from StockX. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away hyper laces, REMS cleaning solution, even a Nike Legend React over at the link down below. Subscribe now, follow me on Instagram. I am a huge fan of The Rock. He's a WWE superstar, and as you guys can see here, I even got both of his previous trainer shoes in the black colorway with that sick ass Brahma Bull here at the left, and the green colorway, the military green. This is the one I think is in honor of the US military. I even have a bunch of Rock shirts. This is the one, this is the Just Bring It with the Brahma Bull at the back. That just gives you guys an idea of how huge of a fan I am of The Rock. Now, having said that, the moment the Project 1 Rock came out, I was so excited to cop them, but they sold out and they weren't available here in the Philippines. Sad. But fortunately, thanks to StockX, I was finally able to cop one. This one I ordered July 3. I was able to get it yesterday, July 12. So it took them a little less than 10 days to be able to get me the shoe. This is the box, as you guys see here. Let's get to the unboxing. Scissors. Let's pop this bad boy open. What is that? Oh, that is so sick. We have the Brahma Bull logo. They did away with the usual box that you have with Under Armour, and instead you have here a plain brown carton box with the Rock Brahma Bull logo at the top. You have the Under Armour branding along the side, blood, sweat, and respect on the other side, and your typical shoe details on the tag on the other side of the sneaker. You also have the signature of Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, on the other side of the box. Popping open the box, let's see what's inside. You have, of course, your usual StockX card asking you to promote it. You have your receipt over here. By the way, to those who are wondering, I got this sneaker all in, I think, for a little over $170. With the shipping, that's $40, so it went above $200. So yes, it still gets delivered to your house here in the Philippines. If it's like together with the shipping, it's above 10,000 pesos. So as long as the actual value of the sneaker or the price that you paid for the sneaker itself without the shipping is below 10,000 pesos, you shouldn't have problems with taxes. The wrapper has the Brahma Bull logo as well as blood, sweat, and respect. And woo, we have the sneaker. I have been waiting so long to be able to get this in my hand. Here you have it, guys. This is the Under Armour Project 1 Rock, and it looks ridiculously sick. You have the Brahma Bull logo at the back in gold. The upper is dominantly blue, and it's a mix of two materials, mainly like some sort of reinforced leather that stretches along the side of the sneaker, and a knit type of material which composes majority of the upper. You have rope type laces. It also comes with an extra set of laces in color white. Should you want to swap it out, of course, I'll keep it with the blue one. In terms of Under Armour logo, it's a bit more muted. You have one here on the side as well as below the shoe. For the midsole, you have a foam type of material. That's the white thing that you guys see here, but it does have a harder translucent material here at the back of the heel. Definitely looks hella fire, and I am so excited to finally get this in my hand. You know that feeling when you're really trying to hunt for a particular pair of sneaker, but you just can't buy it because it's so overpriced, or you can't find it here in the Philippines. That's the feeling I've had with this sneaker. Ever since I saw it on StockX, the prices were crazy. I mean, the first time this was released, they were selling for like over $250, sometimes even $300, which is just so impractical, especially since the retail price is just like $120, $130. So finally being able to cop it at a reasonable price, though not retail, is something that I am so happy about. Man, I'm so thrilled to finally have this. I know it's not your typical hype shoe, it's not your hype beast kind of sneaker, but there are sneakers that you just love to get because it talks to you on a very personal level. This one is one of those pairs for me. So yeah, that's actually it for this vlog. I'll do a more comprehensive review in the coming days ahead. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. Peace. God bless.